Hey everyone, let's learn how to face paint this beautiful rainbow and clouds design. Using a half circle sponge, pick up some light turquoise shimmery on one end of the sponge, and on the other end of the sponge pick up some light shimmery blue. And we're just going to dab it on top of the eye to create a cloud-like appearance. Blend the two colours in and use the other side of the sponge that has no paint on it to soften it a little. Now for the rainbow, with a 3/4 inch flat brush, pick up a rainbow cake and make sure that you've got it nicely loaded so it's got good coverage, and start drawing on the rainbow starting from one side to the other and onto the top of the cheek. Now I've got a number 6 round brush loaded up with some white from Fusion, and I'm just going to start doing the teardrops for the clouds as well as the side of the eye. And with my finger, I'm going to just smudge in the rest of that paint into the turquoise and the blue that we originally have placed above the eye at the beginning. Now repeat this on the other side. You can use a sponge. I like to use my finger because I can just feel the wetness of the paint, making sure that it's blending nicely into the blue. And because your brush is heavily loaded with the white, you'll be able to continue those teardrops to the side of the eye and ultimately toward the bottom. We'll complete the teardrops on the other eye as well as the original, just to bring it all together. Using a stencil which has some stars on it, make sure that your sponge is nicely loaded. Mine's quite lightly loaded here, so it didn't make such an effect with the stars, but make sure it's nicely loaded, not too soggy, but with a sticky consistency, and dab on those stars. Here I'm using some liquid bling, which I'm going to use to outline the teardrops and the clouds. Lastly, with a heavily loaded number 2 round brush, I'm just going to do some dots and create some lovely little stars around the rainbow. And there you have it, a rainbow face paint design for you to practice. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything that you would like to show you how to face paint. Until next time, happy painting.